So every day you fill lots of different jobs at your company. Maybe you keep an eye on operations, client follow-up, some ordering, a bit of AR, and of course, human resources. Now, the boss just walked in and landed you with it. Get our folks up to date on their training. The accounting folks need software training. Managers need management courses. Folks in the warehouse need safety training. And everybody needs human resource training, from anger management to activities in the workplace. And worst of all, everybody is spread out across a 1,000-mile region. Used to be that you'd make loads of calls and get offers from all sorts of providers, all differently formatted, telling you about their great training, all different flavors of the same thing. Well, Cogno changes all that. We make your life easy. It's kind of like iTunes of training. Check out an online catalog of thousands of courses, not from one provider, but from hundreds of industry experts in their relevant fields. Review the courses you want, then, and best of all, buy just as many as you need, 1 to 10,000. So, you are just buying the courses your people will actually view and use. We give you the tools to distribute, track, and see reporting all about them, so you can see who did what and how they did. Your life is easier. You save time and money, your employees get their training, and now you can get back to the other 40 things you need to do. Cogno. Training simplified.